Greetings to everybody. Hope we're all doing fine by the special grace of God. So today I want to show you how you can hide your Pi balance in your wallet. Okay, it's very, very important. This is helpful when you're showing someone your app. You want to protect your privacy, you're recording your screen or making a video, or you don't want others to know how much Pi you're earning. So you hide your Pi balance. Okay, so you go to your browser, you click on wallet. Okay, when you click on your wallet, you input your 24 passphrase here. So once you input it, this is mine. For example, this is my, I've already hide my balance. As you can see from here, you cannot see my balance, and here you cannot see my balance. So how did I do this? I just go to where you have the setting button. This is it up here. You click on your setting, and where you have hide balance, is it here. Where you have hide balance, you click on this icon. Mine is already clicked. That's why you cannot see my amount. So for example, if I have to touch it, if I have to touch this icon now, right? If I touch it once, sometimes when you touch it once like that, you might think that it has gone through, but you have to wait. Once you touch it, you wait a little bit to see if it will go back. If it doesn't go back, that means it's okay. But if it goes back, that means you have to do it again. Okay, so it has not gone back, which means it's okay. I don't want to go back to my wallet, put my amount of Pi will show, so I'll click it back there. Are you seeing? You just see what I was explaining, right? It has gone, and I clicked it and it has gone back, so I'll click it again until when it is stable. That's when I can leave my page. So it is now stable. Now I can leave the page. So if I go back, I will not see my balance. Are you seeing? So I just said let me do this quick video to show you how you can hide your balance. It's very, very important. Okay, later. So some of the reasons why you have to hide your Pi balance is for security reasons, for your privacy, for business reasons, and for content creation. For security reasons is to avoid being targeted. For privacy reason is that some people don't want friends or family to see their Pi. Okay, that's privacy, so it is just for you. And then for business reason, for KYC or testing ecosystem, you don't, like when you're showing somebody how to go about it and things like that, you don't want somebody to see it, which is okay. And then for content creation, when people, like some of us are doing all this content, all this um showing people how to do this, do that, maybe by the time you want to go to your wallet, your amount is shown and the whole world is seeing it. Before you know it, boom, you are targeted. So it's very, very important to hide your Pi balance. Okay, all right, please subscribe please, and like this post. Thank you.